Hello everyone. In this video we will see that how we can edit or rename any of the template field as per our requirement. So this is a template field where you enter all your account information related to a client, like your first name, last name. Under information we have these fields, then account details, and then address. So to edit these template fields, you need to go to the configurations, under configurations in CRM, and then go to accounts. So under accounts, second subsection is for a template. Click on the template, select the template you want to edit, and template is always created as soon as a user creates a new channel. So every channel has its own different template. I'll click on the edit icon in front of a template. It will open a template form. So like here we can see all the details like first name, last name, work email, phone, work phone, mobile phone. All fields are given here. Let's suppose I want to edit the first name as a name only. So I'll remove the first, I'll save it. Next, under the work phone or on the mobile phone, I'll rename it as a mobile number. Save it. Now once we have saved these details, this information will be updated in this particular template. So first name has been replaced with the field value name only name, and the mobile phone has been replaced as a mobile number there. So now when I click on new, we can see first name is showing as a name and mobile phone is showing as a mobile number. In a similar way, if I want to remove any of these template fields from that particular template, let's suppose I don't want work phone here, I only need a mobile number. Same, just click, select the template, uncheck the field you want to remove from the template and click on save. Once you save it, same, refresh the module, and now what we will see, the work phone field has been disappeared from this particular template. So to just make it enable that thing again, user just need to check in that particular field type again and it will be visible again. So now we can see here as work phone removed from this particular template. Thank you.